Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to buy Astar coin easy guide. So first of all, you will just have to connect your Phantom wallet or Binance wallet or another. So after you will just tap on your wallet and just tap for deposit. So first step is that. So right now from here you will just select any of coin, BNB chain, Ethereum or Solana. So if you want to just buy one Ethereum in USDT, so you will just have to enter one and you will just have to approve for USDT. Right now I will have insufficient balance, but this video has to education purpose that you will just have to deposit. Okay, so you will just have to, once you will just have to approve, and you will just have to buy a one Ethereum. So once you will just have to transfer, you will just have to perpetual to switch to spot, and right over you will just have to select the Ethereum, and you will just get a transfer. After transfer you will just go in the spot, and in the sport section you will just have to buy any of coin of Astra. So that's it. Thank you.